Can an LLC join a partnership? Yes, an LLC can join a partnership. An LLC can act as a partner alongside individuals, corporations, or other LLCs. In this setup, the LLC's ownership interest in the partnership is treated as a business asset, and any profits or losses from the partnership flow through to the LLC. If the LLC is a multi-member entity, those profits or losses are then divided among its members based on the operating agreement. This provides flexibility while still keeping liability protection in place for the LLC's owners. Partnership agreements should clearly outline the LLC's role, rights, and responsibilities within the partnership. This avoids conflicts and ensures that both the LLC and other partners are on the same page. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and provide guidance so you can structure partnerships correctly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.